Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by confirming version and access. Make sure you're signed into the account that owns privacy controls. Once ready, back up any local work because changing recognition settings can affect stored profiles. Now open Maya and navigate directly to Settings, then Privacy or Account sections. Do not wander through unrelated menus. Look for a face recognition or similar feature toggle. This is the first actionable control you will flip to stop new facial models from being created. Once you've located the face recognition toggle, switch it off immediately and confirm any on-screen prompts. This prevents future enrollment. Next, open your device's OS settings and find App Permissions. Revoke camera and any biometric access for Maya so the app cannot capture or match faces. Make sure to return to Maya and use any option labeled Delete or Clear Face Data to remove existing models. This ensures the app stops recognizing previously enrolled faces and reduces privacy risk. To finalize, restart Maya and then reboot your device to ensure settings persist. After reboot, check privacy again to confirm the toggle stayed off. If Maya syncs to the cloud, sign out and remove any server-side face data from account settings so recognition cannot be rebuilt. If the feature re-enables or data remains, clear the app cache or data, then reinstall Maya. This usually resolves stubborn state issues. If problems continue, contact Maya support and reference account and device details for escalation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.